Welcome. In this video, we'll learn how to use Boolean operators to improve your literature searches and databases. When searching resources like PubMed or CINAHL, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by too many results or frustrated by not finding enough relevant articles. Boolean operators are simple tools that help you control your search and get more precise results. In this video, we'll focus on the three main operators, and, or, and not, and show how each one affects your search results in different ways. Why it matters. When searching databases like PubMed, it's common to either retrieve far too many results or not enough relevant articles. If your search is too broad, you may feel overwhelmed by the number of articles to review. On the other hand, if it's too narrow, you might miss important evidence. Boolean operators help you control your search by allowing you to combine and organize your terms more effectively. By using and or not, you can adjust your results to be more focused, more comprehensive, or more precise, helping you find exactly what you need more efficiently. The first operator is and. And is used to narrow your search by requiring that both terms appear in the results. When you use and, the database will only return articles that include all of the concepts you've entered. This helps you focus your search and reduce the number of irrelevant results. For example, if you search for hypertension and exercise, you will only retrieve articles that discuss both hypertension and exercise together. Articles that mention only one of these terms will be excluded. This makes and especially useful when you are combining different concepts from your research question, such as a condition and a treatment. Using and helps you find more specific and relevant results. The or operator is used to broaden your search by including multiple terms. When you use or, the database will retrieve articles that contain either one term or the other. This is especially useful when you are searching for synonyms or related terms that describe the same concept. For example, hypertension is also commonly referred to as high blood pressure. If you search for hypertension or high blood pressure, the database will return articles that use either term, helping you capture a wider range of relevant results. Using or ensures that you don't miss important articles simply because different authors use different terminology. It's a key strategy for making your search more comprehensive. The not operator is used to exclude specific terms from your search results. This can be helpful when your search is retrieving articles that are not relevant to your topic or are too broad. For example, if you search for diabetes, not type 1, the database will return articles about diabetes while removing those that focus specifically on type 1 diabetes. This allows you to narrow your results and focus on the most relevant information. However, it's important to use the not operator carefully. Sometimes articles may discuss both topics, and using not could unintentionally remove useful results. Because of this, not should be used sparingly and only when you are confident that a term is not relevant to your search. You can combine Boolean operators to build more effective and precise search strategies. Instead of using just one operator at a time, you can group terms together to better reflect your research question. A common approach is to group synonyms using or, and then combine those groups with other concepts using and. This allows you to both broaden and narrow your search at the same time. For example, you might search for hypertension or high blood pressure to capture similar terms, and then combine that group with exercise using and. Using parentheses helps keep these groups organized and ensures the database processes your search correctly. Combining operators in this way allows you to create more structured searches and retrieve more relevant results. A helpful tip is to always use parentheses when combining terms. This ensures that the database processes your search in the correct order and keeps related concepts grouped together. Think in terms of concepts rather than individual words and build your search step by step. After running your search, take a moment to review your results. Look at the titles and abstracts to see if they are relevant to your topic. If your results are too broad, try adding additional terms with and. If they are too narrow, consider adding synonyms with or. Searching is an iterative process, so don't be afraid to test your search and refine it as needed until you find the most useful results. Now it's your turn. Try building a search using and, or, and not in PubMed and see how your results change. Start with a simple topic, then experiment by adding synonyms with or, combining concepts with and using not to remove unwanted results. Pay attention to how each operator affects the number and relevance of your results. This kind of hands-on practice will help you become more confident and efficient in your searching. The more you experiment, the better you'll understand how to control your results and find the most useful evidence. Remember, and will narrow your search results. Using or will broaden your results. And using not will exclude from your search. In this video, we explored how to use Boolean operators to improve your literature searches. By using and to narrow your results, or to broaden them, and not to exclude unwanted topics, you can take greater control over your search strategy. These techniques are essential for finding relevant, high-quality evidence in databases. In the next video, we'll continue building your search skills with additional strategies to help you search more effectively and efficiently. Thanks for watching.